Hello everyone. So welcome to my new session of the basic tutorial in AutoCAD. So we have discussed in the group that I am bringing the lectures for you all guys, which is will be as related to the AutoCAD basic tutorial. Okay. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about what is the basic settings which everyone have to do. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all guys, you can see here in your AutoCAD software which look like this. Okay, this is the 2D commands available in the ribbon. Okay, or you can say that the panel. Here you can see that this is a draw panel. So draw panel contains line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, ellipse, hatch. Okay, when we go towards the modify panel, you will get this icon and with the tools. Okay, helping tools, annotation, you will see here text, dimension and many more. Layer, in layer property you will see this. Here we got this block, properties, group, utilities, clipboard, view. Okay, so here we can use the useful tools according to the drawing. Okay, so here this is the x-axis and y-axis. This is called coordinate system, UCS. This is called UCS, user coordinate system. Okay, which we can control the line towards the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so here only two axes, so we are calling it 2D. Okay, now this is the command bar. Okay, this is a command bar. If you type for any command, you will get that command which is available on your ribbon. Okay, or in your draw panel, modify panel or on any panel. Okay, so you can take it by shortcut key which is called command. So here you can see that here is a line command available in the draw panel. If we wanna take line command by pressing the shortcut key, so you have to type L, shortcut key for line command L, wait for some time. Sometime it getting a time for loading the commands. Okay, so here you can see that line command has been active. Okay, if you click over here on the line command, your line command will be active. So here you can see that, see your cursor. Okay, if we click here and just drag our mouse any particular distance or any particular, you can say that axis, this is the y-axis, this is x-axis, you can see that in the coordinate system. So in this coordinate system we got pretty much help by seeing this. Okay, so here is the shortcut key which is you can taken by the shortcut key which is available all the commands here. So same all the commands will appear by the typing of your any command. Okay, so now here you will get this toggle keys. These all are called toggle keys. So here this is the grid mode. Okay, if you click over here, so let's see the changes on your drawing sheet. If I click here, so you will get the totally deep background. Okay, if you click over here, if you on this grid mode, then you will see this lining which is called the grid mode on your screen. screen. Okay, so now here we got snap mode. Okay, and here we go ortho mode, which is using by taking a line perpendicular to each other. Okay, if I just click on the line command and I just draw a line, so it is not going towards the straight line. Okay, if we wanna take straight line, so if we click over here and just uh, we on our ortho mode, click here, so your line will be going to the perpendicular. Okay, 90 degree. So whether it's in x-axis or whether it is in y-axis. So hope you got to know. Okay, then here you will get the restrict cursor to specified angles. Okay, and here some all toggle keys. Okay, if you are not getting these toggle keys on your uh, desktop or on your screen in your AutoCAD, so simply you can go to the customization setting, click over here, and you will get the all these settings here. So if you can see that here, which is selected, so they are appearing over here. If we just disable this line, okay, if we are going to unselecting this, then you can see that here all will go disappear, say. Okay, so we have to just select this. If you are not getting these settings or these toggle keys over here, so you have to go in your customization settings. So all right, okay, so here you can see this is called the view cube. Okay, which is nothing in 2D drawing. It is very much applicable and very useful for the 3D drawings. So here is nothing about to learn more, but you can see the view. Okay, top view, and also you can see that top, front, back. Okay, in every 6 types of views you can see that, and also you can see your object towards the southwest direction, southeast direction, east north direction, northwest direction. Okay, anywhere you can see here. Then we have to see that if you are going to the switch the workspace. Okay, so here is the icon, gear icon. If you click over here, so will you get this type of interface, drafting and annotation, which is the available here. We are working on the drafting and annotation, which is called the 2D drawing. So if you wanna go to 3D basic, if you wanna work in 3D basics, so you can click over here. Okay, let's see, our interface will be changed here. New commands will be added. New commands mean for the 3D tools will be available. Okay, this is called the 3D basic, okay, interface. And if you wanna click again on this, so you will get this also 3D modeling. Okay, so if we click on the 3D modeling, you will see the interface here. Interface has been changed, so here you can work in 3D modeling. Okay, so step by step we are going to learn about 2D, 3D basics as well as 3D modeling. So here you can make a complete and you can make the complicated drawings in 3D modeling. So here is the given tools which help us to create the complicated parts such as mechanical parts. Okay, so guys, this is the basic of AutoCAD. Okay, and nothing worry about learning AutoCAD. It is very easier software. You can only learn minimum 2 or 3 months if you are taking in a good way and if you are progressing hard. Okay, so guys, tell me your comments in my comment section. I'll try to clear your doubts. If you have any question, any query related to the this session, you can comment in our comment section. I'll very appreciated to hear about. Okay, and guys, uh, tell me your problem. So in next session, I'll try to make video on them. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and please do subscribe, do like and share. Okay, thank you.